Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So we just experienced this nice pump after the CPI data and then going into the weekend with some consolidation. My name is Mike Dankler from CorionX and we are bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and just invest in crypto that you can manage with your financial conditions. So guys, smash those like, push the bell notification or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so appreciate all your likes. And let's go and check out our favorite bubble chart. As we see, Bitcoin is slightly down and Ethereum is up 1% and consolidating really nicely above 1900 US dollar levels, and Bitcoin is at 24,000 US dollar levels. And we see a few altcoins like Aave, Hex, Cell, OKB, Chiliz, HT, Solana and Monero pumping, and others just consolidating. Let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. It is at 42, so still in the fear zone, but getting closer to the neutral zone. So I think after 45 we will getting into the neutral zone, but at least we just left the extreme fear zone that the index was for several months around 10, and then extreme fear dominated the market. So now the investors' sentiment is getting better, but we are far away from greed. Let's go and check out our first news. BlackRock announces the launch of a new private spot Bitcoin trust. So guys, what's going on here? So BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager overseeing over 10 trillion US dollar in total assets, has launched a new private spot Bitcoin trust. So it's a kind of Bitcoin ETF or whatever. So despite the steep downturn in the digital asset market, we are still seeing substantial interest from some institutional clients in how to efficiently and effectively access these assets using our technology and product capabilities. Bitcoin is the oldest, largest and most liquid digital asset, and it's currently our clients' primary subject of interest within the digital asset space. So they launched this Bitcoin trust. This is a kind of Bitcoin ETF, and I wouldn't be surprised as we are heading into the Ethereum merge in September, just 1 month away. Then they would also launch an Ethereum trust. Let's go and check out our next news. According to Invest Answers, BlackRock's entry into Bitcoin could shoot its price to 773,000 US dollar. So guys, it's getting close to 1 million Bitcoin, but let's dive deep. So the US based crypto titan that it had teamed up with BlackRock, so Coinbase, the world's largest asset manager, in an effort to bring cryptocurrency trading to wealthy clients around the world. More money coming into the market. So Bitcoin's market cap by $1 billion, and the very least to his 443,000 subscribers. Yes, so BlackRock invests 0.5% of its assets into Bitcoin and uses this multiplier of 21x. And yes, so this is how they can push the Bitcoin price up. So if they allocate 1% to Bitcoin, which is naturally going to take some time them to get there, that would add approximately 2.1 trillion to the value of the market, 150,000 to the price, and that would take Bitcoin's price to 173,000, which would be 652%. And if they would adding 5%, that would bring the Bitcoin price to 773,000 US dollar in the next 3 to 5 years pretty easily. and investing 5% of their total assets, it's not a big thing. It's not a big thing. More institutional and large investors will come to the Bitcoin market in the future. So guys, that's it. That's it. As simple. Bitcoin demand on Coinbase stacked, flashing March 2020 bottom vibes according to popular on-chain analyst. So I think the analyst is Will Clemente. So bits in the Bitcoin order book on Coinbase are stuck down from 17,000 US dollar and below. A lot of people are hoping to buy BTC lower. The last time the order book was this skewed to the bit side was the grind up from the March 2020 lows. So you see that lots of orders were under these levels as with these yellows, but maybe they will never be filled. USDC and USDT market cap, total crypto market cap ratio continues to roll off of the historical bottoming area, respecting the channel bonds. General idea is that when the ratio is high and at the channel bonds, large percentage of stables are available to be deployed relative to crypto market cap. When ratio is low, there is a lot of stables that have already been deployed. So this is when the ratio is starting to go down, then stable coins are going into Bitcoin and crypto. CPR, Consumer Price Index announcement on Wednesday, dictates if this risk on bear market rally continues in the short term. Inflation rolling over equals Fed can take foot off gas. Inflation persisting higher equals Fed has to keep foot on the gas. So this is how you can play this game. Next piece of news is Cathie Wood of ARK Invest says BlackRock's entrance to crypto could more than double price of Bitcoin. Okay, so yes, we know everything about this. The illiquid supply, according to our estimates, is about 14 million out of the roughly 18-19 million Bitcoin outstanding, and by our calculations only 3 million units are truly liquid. And so the demand, if we were to see a 1 trillion increase in demand, then it would probably drive the price up much higher than the doubling that I just mentioned. Okay, so sounds pretty good. Okay, not just double, but I think more than double, but this is an easy way. Bitcoin demand, yes, we already talked about that. Here is when Bitcoin could catch a bottom and perform well, according to macro guru Lynn Alden. So Lynn Alden is a macro guru, and they are looking into the M2 money supply. Roughly refers to the total amount of currency in circulation plus near money or highly liquid non-cash assets that can be easily converted to cash. When global money supply measured in dollars is going up pretty rapidly, that's a great environment for Bitcoin. When it's going down, when basically that year-over-year rate is rolling over or even stops growing entirely, that's usually a pretty bad environment for Bitcoin. And in that sense, what Bitcoin is hedging is not price inflation, but monetary inflation or debasement. It's basically one of the more pure plays on liquidity. That's probably the key thing to watch, what's happening with liquidity and what's happening with the rate of change in economic growth. I do think that when you have failing liquidity and economic declaration, yes, you would expect Bitcoin to do pretty poorly, which we have seen especially over the past 6 months. Then when you have a bottoming out of liquidity, monetary easing, and you are in the middle of the recession, maybe turning up, that's when I would expect probably Bitcoin to catch a bottom and do pretty well. So crypto isn't driven by the business cycle, but it's driven by global liquidity. And global liquidity, due this depression, recession, monetary tightening, that is just seems that we found the bottom. Bitcoin preparing for parabolic move to 100,000 US dollar as altcoin season peaks, according to crypto analyst. who is this analyst? Invest Answers that predicted Bitcoin due to BlackRock. When 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days, it becomes altcoin season, and we are way above 75%. So it's pretty staggering, pretty impressive. But whatever goes up comes down. So we expect Bitcoin dominance to be on the rise again soon. We are already seeing that happen right now as we speak. So we expect everything to be choppy as we go forward. Okay, here I added some extensions like to that possible path could be to 100,000 US dollar. When could we get there? Maybe by summer 2023. Who knows? It would look something like that. But first we have to get back to all-time highs. For Mike to pound his first on the tables and say it's only a matter of time. We'll see. So this is how they are planning, and just going up, coming down. So with Elliott waves. So guys, let's go and check out, as we do have this nice rainbow charts here that indicating where is the good time for buying Bitcoin. Now we are exactly there, and when it's due for some correction or selling some Bitcoin. But here we should have a nice chart. Let's find the altcoin season index. Let's see if there is an altcoin season or not. Oh, so we are in altcoin season 99, no, not 99, 88 out of 100. So it's a heavy altcoin season that we see, and the top performance over the last season 90 days. So I think yes, so Ethereum should be also on this list if I'm right, but actually, as we see, Cell is leading the way. Cool, guys. Yeah, so this is an altcoin season, a little bit weird. I never thought that we can find this altcoin season, and just let's see, in 2 weeks we just went from Bitcoin season to altcoin season. So what a hell, what a hell. Cool. So guys, let's check our next news. Crypto hedge fund veteran predicts explosive parabolic move for Bitcoin. Here is his timeline. So Mark Yusko from Morgan Creek Digital, and he was on Stanbury Research, and he says that I think crypto spring is here. We are still a ways from crypto summer when we get another parabolic move up, but that will come probably in 6 to 9 months. Bitcoin is a perfect store of value. It's basically digital gold. Gold is the only money in the history of the world. Bitcoin is as good as gold. It's equally scarce, yet it's more divisible and more portable. Okay, Bitcoin already hit a cycle bottom at 17,500 US dollar. Everything down since November because we had these massive liquidations of over leveraged speculation. When you get a margin call, you don't get to sell what you want to sell. You have got to sell gold, bonds, and Bitcoin. The things that previously didn't go down now go down. So now everything's going down. Correlations go up, but that's a temporary thing. Now correlations are reversing again. Friday was a good example. Markets were down, Bitcoin was up. Bitcoin's up last since mid-June. That's when I will say was the bottom, the 17,500 candle that day. We made a serious higher lows and higher highs since then. So thank you for Mark Yusko. We like that. So guys, let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIKLOS on Twitter. Also follow at Corion platform and follow the at laserpunk_gods. So a whale is buying Bitcoin at 24,000 for 3 billion US dollar. So this is something huge. Okay, here is the chart. So just bought 132,000 Bitcoin. So the fun fact: the Bitcoin network settled over 62 trillion US dollars worth of Bitcoin transactions in the last 12 months. So Bitcoin's RSI in July flashes buy signal according to this Plan B's chart. So this is the RSI, and this is the Bitcoin price, and this is the trading rule. And when RSI just bouncing on the bottom, that's flashing a buy signal. Give a like and share this. And guys, let's go and check out. BlackRock just launched a private Bitcoin fund. They manage 10 trillion plus US dollar for their clients and have now adopted Bitcoin as legitimate asset for Wall Street. As around the poles, the ice is melting fast as never before. Methane gas is a huge problem, and Bitcoin fixes this with mining, as this is also ESG compatible. Give a like and share. So, and there are several giants like BlackRock, huge upside opportunity for Bitcoin. Breaking: Latin America's largest company, Mercado Libre, to enable 38 million users to buy Bitcoin. So guys, that's huge. Since the pandemic started, the uncertainty in the financial markets began. Bitcoin and crypto has been the best thing you could own. So this is the Bitcoin chart and all other asset classes and indexes since the pandemic. Okay, give a like and retweet. So our updated video, and also Vitalik Buterin wants to make blockchains affordable for everyone, envisioning Ethereum gas between 0.002 to 0.05 with rollups. So with rollups, Bitcoin is back to whale accumulation zone according to this whale map. So guys, definitely go and check out our farms. We do have farms on ERC20 version Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain version. Go to provide liquidity on Uniswap and PancakeSwap, and look up your LPs and earn up to 330% juicy APRs. Also come and join our chats here, and also that we shared here, and my friends Ahmed shared this. So definitely join our Telegram and to be educated here about crypto. So guys, let's go and check out the charts. Let's see what's happening out there. So Bitcoin is about 24,000 US dollar. So this is a sign of strength, and also Cardano is making some higher highs here. But first take a look on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is moving in this channel, and it's moving in the upper side of this channel, and now we expect some volatility as heading into the weekend, but still we do have our long opened, and then this is how we are playing this, and we will take some profits when reaching these highs here, and also opening another long when breaking out from this channel. What about Bitcoin shorts? So Bitcoin shorts decreased a little bit. What about the Bitcoin dominance? Yes, so Bitcoin dominance is coming down. This is why we are in an Altseason, but this broke some key horizontal and trend line resistance. So now heading to these 39 levels. So guys, let's go and check Ethereum. So Ethereum is doing well at these 1900 US dollar levels, and our Ethereum long is intact, and we are planning to take some profits at 2000 or 2200. So this looks pretty good, and when Ethereum is coming down to this trend line, that we are adding to our long positions. Binance coin is doing well as well, now consolidating, and our short on Binance is in slightly profit, as we started to short it at 33,000, but maybe it will be stopped out. But also we took some profit when it dipped to 315 levels, but Binance coin also going parabolic here. So guys, that's it for today. Be sure just follow, visit our farms and earn up some juicy APRs. Follow us on Twitter and also join our Telegram as already mentioned. So guys, see you in the next video. Enjoy your weekend, go out with family. Bye bye.